No.
Welcome to today's Igbo lesson. In this video, we are going to learn how to conjugate Igbo verbs in the present, past, and future tenses. I'll walk you through simple examples and give you tips to master the tenses. Let's dive in. Today in this video, we are going to focus only on the present tense. In future videos, we'll go over the past tense, future tense, and the imperative forms. So to conjugate an Igbo verb in the present tense, all you have to do is pronoun plus auxiliary particle na plus the verb root. For instance, in the verb iga, let's use the verb iga as an example. Iga, we are conjugating it in the present tense. All we have to do is a pronoun, I'm using which is I, plus na,